In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a flat layout document into Acrobat Pro Web and turn it into a fillable form using Chrome. We'll be working with a document that already has a fixed layout, and the goal is to add interactive fields so people can type into it or select options directly on the page. Acrobat Pro Web makes this process fairly straightforward, especially because it can detect many form areas automatically for you. To begin, open Google Chrome and access Acrobat Pro Web. Once you're in the workspace, upload your flat layout document. This is the file you want to convert into a fillable form. After the document finishes loading, take a quick look through the page so you can confirm everything appears correctly before moving on. Starting with a clean, properly uploaded file helps avoid placement issues later. Next, go to the primary web panel on the side of the screen and choose Prepare a Form. This tool is specifically designed for converting static documents into interactive forms. When you open it, Acrobat switches into form editing mode, where you'll be able to review detected fields and add anything that may be missing. From there, click Start. Acrobat Pro Web will automatically scan the document and try to detect areas that look like fillable spaces, such as lines, boxes, and other common form structures. This automatic detection can save time, especially on documents that already have a clear form layout. Give it a moment to finish and then review the results carefully. Auto detection is helpful, but it's not always perfect, so it's important to check the placement and type of each field. If you notice that some inputs were missed, you can patch those manually using the text field or checkbox tool icons. Use the text field tool for places where someone needs to type information, and use the checkbox tool for simple selectable options. Choosing the correct field type makes the form easier to use and keeps the final document organized. To place any missing form elements, click anywhere on the page structure layout grid where the field should appear. This lets you position the element directly in the correct spot on the document. As you do this, try to align each field neatly with the existing printed layout so the form looks polished and professional. If